Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I'm a psychiatrist and makeup artist. If you love makeup tutorials, reviews and DIYs and all this lovely girly stuff, don't forget to subscribe so you have notification when I upload new video on my channel. And if you are a subscriber already and you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this makeup look, and as you can see, it's so romantic. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. As you can see, everything is hearts and beautiful pink and purple and all these lovely girly and romantic colors. I really hope you like this makeup tutorial, and I changed the colors like to multiple colors. I really hope you like it, and if you want to see how I did this makeup look, please keep watching. Hi everyone, so let's start our tutorial. As you can see, my face is done. It's complete video, like a whole different video. I'm gonna use this NYX eyeshadow base. I'm gonna apply it with this brush all over my eyelids, as you can see, and make sure it's blended and have like a nice amount of the eyeshadow base. Really helps to make the color pop and at the same time make the eyeshadow last longer. I'm gonna use the powder and this small shader brush. It's not very small, it's a big shader brush anyway. I'm gonna apply just a little bit of the powder all over the eyeshadow base. Will help to reduce the thickness to help build up the other colors. I'm gonna use this color from this beautiful palette from BH Cosmetics and this brush with it, and I'm gonna apply this color to my crease area and the outer part of my eye as a transition color to build up the colors that I'm gonna use next over it. Now using this big shader brush and use this nice pink color, and I'm gonna apply it on my lids, as you can see, in a dabbing motion. As you can see, this really helps to add a lot of color to my eyelids, especially it's a kind of a powdery pink, so you need to have kind of a lot of color to make this color pop. And as you can see, dabbing motion is the best way to apply this color. Using this pink color, it has a little bit of sheen over it, so I'm gonna apply over the powder pink that I applied before with the same brush and make sure I have a nice amount of the color. This will help the pink to pop even more. I'm gonna use this small blending brush because the shader brush was too big for me, so I'm gonna use this to apply a little bit more of the color. Using this beautiful blending brush, and I'm gonna use this color first and then the other color next to it. So it's really vibrant purple. So the key here for this look is blending. So take your time and blend very nicely. So I'm gonna use this blending brush with the first color, the vibrant purple color. And I'm gonna apply it to the outer part of my eye and take the rest what I have on my brush to my crease area. And as you can see, I am building up the color because the color is buildable and at the same time it's too vibrant. So I'm making sure I'm not taking a lot of the color, and at the same time blend it very nicely every time before I take another layer of the color and apply it. And as you can see, I build the color basically on the outer part of my eye and take it a little bit out to the outer area, take it to have a this nice shape, and take the rest to my crease area. Using this brush, it's a still blending brush, but in the same time it takes a lot of color and put it in the same place. And as you can see, using this one with the second purple color, and concentrate that to the outer part of my eye in the outer V, and take it out a little bit like this, and take the rest to the crease area. And I'm gonna go back and forth between this brush from Real Technique and the other brush, the blending brush from Shein, and go back and forth to build the color and make sure the color is blended nicely and have a concentrated color on my outer V, on my outer part of my eye, taking a little bit out like as you can see here, and take the rest to the crease area. So I have this gradient effect, but still at the same time the color is concentrated on my outer part, and make sure to blend everything in every step, as you can see, going back and forth. So take your time and build the color until you have the intensity that you want for the color. And now I'm gonna take the powder color that I used before and take any excess that I have underneath my eyebrows and underneath my eyes. Now taking the blending brush again and make sure the two eyes, because I finished the other eye now, so I make sure the two eyes are identical and they have the same shape. Now I'm gonna take the pink color, the second pink color, with the small blending brush, and make sure that I have the intensity of the pink color that I need, because of course as you apply the purple it can go a little bit over the pink color, so make sure to have everything perfect. And as you can see, going back and forth until I'm happy with the blending and the color and the shape of my eyes. I'm gonna take this palette and use this lovely pink. It's kind of a stronger pink, have a little bit of shimmer to it, so I'm gonna use the same blending brush and apply this over the pink area to make it pop even more. Using this brush with the powder to clean everything, like remove any excess color that I don't need, and underneath my eyes as well. Using this small pencil brush with the vibrant purple color, and apply underneath my eyes, my lower lash line, and connect it to the purple that I have on my upper lid, as you can see here, and make sure it's blended and nice. Using this jumbo pencil in milk, and apply it in my lower waterline, as you can see, because this really helped to make my eyes look bigger and make everything pop. So now I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this mascara. For this one, I'm gonna have 2 videos. One video will be a complete review for this mascara, and the second video will be a comparison between the original and the fake one. I'm gonna apply in the card description box down below. Of course, they will be after this video. And now I'm applying a second coat. So I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this mascara for this look. Now it's time to do my eyebrows, using this brush to comb my eyebrow, and this Deborah brow pomade to draw my eyebrows. And as usual, I'm not gonna do anything fancy. I'm just complete the shape of my eyebrow, fill up the gaps, and make everything looks nice and perfect. Now it's time for blush, my favorite part of the video. I'm gonna apply the pink color from this palette using my favorite blush brush, and I'm gonna apply in the dabbing motion because this color is so pigmented. Just make sure that you're applying it very nicely. You don't want to end up with a very big part of a rounded hot pink powder on your face. So as you can see, I'm building up the color very nicely to have the intensity that I need. This color is so pigmented, so I need to be extra careful when I use it. Now I'm gonna build the intensity of the color even more using this blush. I love it so much. I love this color, and apply over the sleek blush that I applied before, and make sure they are too blended. And as you can see, the color become even more beautiful and sweet. To make my cheeks pop even more, I'm gonna apply just a little bit of this color from NYX. It really a very light pink, really make everything pop and help to blend everything together. Okay, I'm finished, and now it's time to my filter effects, my favorite part as well. And then I'm gonna blend this a little bit of powder when just dust everything in a circular motion to make everything soft and filtered. As you can see the difference. And now I'm gonna take the blush brush and just without any color over it, just with what we have over it, and just dust everything very quickly. Time for the highlight, of course, with my favorite brush with the highlight. I love this brush for the highlight because really add a lot of highlight. And as you can see, I hope you can see in the camera, it's very amazing. And I'm gonna use my finger to blend any harsh lines. And again to the other side, as you can see, I think you can see it. It's very nice and very bright. I love this brush because add a lot of highlight. It's amazing. And now what I have left, I'm gonna apply it to my chin, and I'm gonna apply a little bit more to my cupid's bow, and I'm gonna use my finger for that actually because I'm gonna add a lot of color. And now it's time to use a smaller brush to add more to the bridge of my nose, using your hands as well, and between my eyebrows. and just a little bit underneath my eyebrows because I didn't add any highlight there. And I'm gonna use this brush to apply the highlight to my inner tear dot on my inner part of my eye. That will help to make my eye like looks more awake and in the same time makes it look bigger. And my face is done. Everything is perfect and beautiful. Now it's my favorite part of the video, which is the lips. So let's jump into it. As you can see, I changed my clothes and just wear my earrings and everything looks beautiful. And at night time to add my multiple colors, as you can see, I'm gonna use all of these lovely things. So I'm gonna leave you now applying these colors so you can see the difference and enjoy the process. So that's it. Enjoy! Okay, this is for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you like it and it was easy and you really enjoy the change of the lip color. As you change the lip color, actually I felt like it's changing the whole makeup, so you can choose whatever you like. I love them all actually. They are so amazing and I love hot pink and love pink and I love girly colors, so these are a variety of colors that I really love. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Happy Valentine. Bye.